Fist ei gilydd, bys bawd lan, bys bach mas. Ar ôl 3, newid nhw rown. OK? 1, 2, 3.
100 everyday heroes. Play stupidly simple games.
Oh, yeah.
Dwi'n licio fo'n barod.
Yeah, a fi.
Fi moyn neud hwn, bydd hwn yn ffyn.
With one golden rule.
Gadael y dignity bwys y drws gyda hwn.
Don't come last.
Ti'n ni actually meddwl byddai'n neud yn ffantastig yn hwn. Dwi'n amazing efo'r sac race.
Fel Squid Games I spanners.
Wy'n hoffi rhaglen.
Yeah, dwi'n licio'r ffaith I ddim, like, it's not for elite athletes.
O, ti'n gwybod beth? Bydd ti'n cael really good ideas o hwn I beth ni'n gallu chwarae yn y doleg.
Hwnna'n dyn, yeah.
Fe?
Yeah.
99 people to beat in round 1, which means the odds of losing are 1 in 100. That's not going to be me.
Os na byd I giro dyn hyderus, nagos?
Na, gos.
Edward, gyntaf mynd allan then.
Ti'n meddwl?
Yeah.
Hanging above you are a number of balls. When they drop to the floor, you just need to find one and sit on it.
Mae'n swnio'n haws.
Sa'n gallu gwneud hynna, ond mae'n gatch, mae'n siŵr.
Oes. However, there are 100 of you and only 99 balls.
Byddwn ni'n shyfyn nhw mas y ffordd, ie. Ti'n gallu cael yr arian, na pham byddwn ni ddim yn gallu neud rhywbeth fel hyn.
Mae trio nocio lawr wrtha dyna sen, jyst am y pel a pethau. Oedd hi'n gwybod beth i ddod I fewn I ddoedd.
Oes.
And you'll be blindfolded.
No way!
O, wel, nawr.
Ie, mae bod o'r hawdd.
Ti'n meddwl, so ti'n ennill nawr?
Yeah. I've got the senses of a bat.
Looks like they're ready, bro. Here we go.
Fire it all.
Redig nawr, redig, and grab!
Sbia mewn o'r
No! Look at him go!
O, oedd hi hen mwy na mynd!
I love this game!
Dwi'n pasio 2.
There's so many of them that are sat on the ball already.
O, chaos!
Come on, Edward! Be another ball.
O, hwn di'r caffi worker na, ia.
O, Edward!
Not gonna be me.
It's gonna be me!
There's Paul, a paranormal investigator. He is lost.
You can see the dead, you can't see the ball.
O, mae'na 3 dal na li.
O, mae Paul di gael un.
Oh.
Yes! He's done it!
Lle mae Edward?
Edward sy'n mas, Edward!
Oh, no. Oh, no.
O, y boi caffi na sy'n di mynd allan ar ôl fo ddeud.
Edward allan.
99, and I couldn't beat it, could I?
Edward, tara.
Nath alw do. Fi ag e. First out.
For this game, you will each be given a t-shirt that is frozen stiff.
Frozen stiff.
Frozen stiff.
Okay.
To complete this game, all you need to do is defrost your t-shirt enough to wear it.
Rhoed o dan y t-shirt ar dy chest.
Dre trw'n ffeisio a rap y frwnt a napi a sa di'n toddi mewn cachiad.
PP yna fo. Ie, sy'n egni, bysa. Dat yma chydig bach yna fo. PP poeth.
I mean, you can hear them whilst they put them down. They're making like a clarion noise.
Ac ma' nhw'n literally frozen. Tha tails.
Good luck, guys, and we're off! Oh my...
Plegu fe, bwrw fe. Gan e.
People are smashing it on the floor!
Fel a dwi efo chicken ar nos iau pan da ni'n gwneud fajitas.
Yes!
Aw, hwnna'n mynd amdani go iawn.
Safia's gonna do it, she's done it!
Oh, excellent.
Good.
O, mae'n gwared.
Da wan.
I mean, Leslie's taking it easy, he's just having a lie down.
Yeah, old methods.
Ti'n credu bod ni'n missed on point again?
I'm in the zone, like, just going for it. I am bashing this station.
Bashing the living hell out of it, Bianca.
Oh no! It's head to head!
Cael y fraich mewn.
Just dim ond y 2 ohonyn nhw, ie?
Ie.
Literally down to the final seconds.
Oh my gosh.
And Bianca has done it. She's through.
Oh, da iawn, Bianca.
Poor Les!
Oh.
Les.
Maybe don't lie down on the job next time, Les. Yeah, probably wasn't the best tactic, was it?
Stupid idea.
Oedden ni'n gwybod o'n neud i'n defrost yn byd of the ball.
Done.
Belly fat helped, but I just wasn't strong enough to break it apart. I'm just glad that I got this far.
O, Les, ti mor cute. Dwi eisiau cydlo fo.
Chos mae fe mor twp a mor syml.
Ie.
Joyous i fe?
A fi.
Ie.
Beth mae hwnna'n gweud beth i ni te?
Bod ni'n twp a syml.
Ie.
Sa'n ni dal yna. Warm up.